Hello, good morning children. Today we are going to do geography lesson. Don't get confused that how come a geography lesson is in the English textbook. It's not about geography, it's about the facts and figures, which our poet Julfikar Ghosh really want to explain it to you. It's about the beauty of the language and the way he understands, right? So let us read and understand what is in it. When the jet sprang into the sky, sprang means when it goes up, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. See, when we see the city from nearby, we feel that oh, it's all haphazard and not planned. But when you go up, you try to understand. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seems an inevitable about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned, and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. When it goes up, whatever you feel that how people are making their houses wherever they like, they make it. But when you go little up, you understand, yes, no, it is well planned. The way it should be, it is in that ways only. पोएट कहता है कि जो हमारा पोएट है जुल्फिकार, वो कहता है कि जब हम प्लेन में ऊपर की तरफ थोड़ा जाते हैं तो जो हम लोग शहर में रहते हैं, हम देखते हैं हमेशा घर कैसे टेढ़े मेढ़े कहीं भी कुछ भी बना लेते हैं, प्लान वे नहीं दिखता है। लेकिन जब थोड़ा ऊपर जाता है तो हमारी समझ में आता है नहीं ये गलत नहीं है, ये सही तरीके से वेल प्लान्ड वे में जो हमें बिल्कुल गड़बड़ लगता है नीचे से, वो ऊपर से देखो तो बिल्कुल सही लगता है। सब छोटा छोटा 6 इंचेस जितना ही दिखता मगर वेल प्लान्ड दिखता है, इसमें कोई कमी नहीं। फिर व्हेन द जेट रीच्ड 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the villages were populated. The logic of geography, that land and water attracts man, was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. See, जब 10,000 feet की तरफ पहुँचते हैं तो हमें समझ में आ जाता है कि नदियों के पास और ज़मीन जहाँ समतल होती है वहाँ पे लोग ज़्यादा क्यों रहते हैं। When we reach up to 10,000 feet, we understand why there is more population near the river area and in the plains. क्योंकि हमेशा से प्लेन और रिवर का एरिया लोगों को अट्रैक्ट करता है। रहने के लिए आपको पानी और ज़मीन चाहिए and that attracts man. That's why we have having more population in that area. So that is also cleared when you reach there. Right, 10,000 feet पे जाने के बाद you realize that why this type of area near the river and the land is more populated. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear that Earth was round and that it had more sea than land. जब वो 6 mile high पे जाता है तब पता चलता है कि जो अर्थ है वो राउंड है। That means whatever the facts and figure he had studied, he realized when he is in the jet. He says that when he goes 6 miles, he understood that earth is round and there is more water than the land on this earth. Now, the main twist of this poem is, but it was difficult to understand that the man on the earth found cause to hate each other, to build walls across the cities and to kill each other, right? So that part is not cleared from the height. Now the main twist of this poem is, he says, when he reached to a certain height, he realized that the system of the making of these houses are, first he feels that it is haphazard, but now he realized it is well planned. Then he understood that why there is more population near the river area, and because people get attracted by water and land, that's why it is near that more population is in that area. When he goes a little more higher, he realizes that earth is round and there is more water than land. But when he reaches little more higher, he don't understand that why people hate each other, why do they kill each other, why they make walls, that part is not clear. समझ आया आपको? पोएट कहता है कि सबको समझ आ गया उसे, घर कैसे अनप्लान्ड जो दिखते हैं ऊपर से वेल प्लान्ड दिखते हैं, ठीक है, उसमें कोई गलती नहीं दिखती। थोड़ा सा और ऊपर जाओ तो समझ में आता है नदी के किनारे और ज़मीन में लोग घर क्यों बनाते हैं, ताकि उन्हें आराम से सुविधा हो। प्लेन में और पानी तो चाहिए ही ना सबको, तो इसके लिए समझ में आता है। जब थोड़ा और ऊपर जाते हैं तो हमारी पृथ्वी गोल है, ये भी समझ में आता है, पानी ज़्यादा है, लैंड कम है। लेकिन थोड़ा और ऊपर जाने के बाद ये नहीं समझ में आता कि हम आपस में एक दूसरे को मारते क्यों हैं, एक दूसरे से नफ़रत क्यों करते हैं, हम दीवारें क्यों बनाते हैं। समझ में आया? ये भी एक समझने की बात है। जब सब कुछ बराबर ही है तो फिर क्यों आपस में हम एक दूसरे से लड़ते हैं, नफ़रत करते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू।